Welcome to 5413 Villa Trace and Trace Crossings, Hoover School Zones. This is a truly remarkable home. 4 bedrooms, 3.5 baths, beautiful yard, landscaping. Nice mahogany door inside. This would be a sitting area or a sitting room. Great place for a baby grand. Nice foyer, beautiful lighting fixture. This is your dining room with coffered ceilings. This leads into the family room. Beautiful hardwoods. Nice tray ceilings with a ceiling fan. A lot of windows that lets the outdoor in. This kitchen is fabulous. There's the eat-in kitchen area, again with more windows. Beautiful backyard. I love this range hood. These are granite countertops, cherry cabinets, stainless steel appliances. Truly a beautiful home. Quickly show you the garage. This is the laundry. Garage is a 2-car garage, very nice. It does have a central vac and a gas hot water heater. Electric hot water heater and a deep sink. This master bedroom is fabulous. You have to see the ceilings. Again, pretty much plantation shutters throughout, which is a huge savings over buying a new home. This is the master bath, garden tub, plantation shutters, separate shower, dual vanities, huge walk-in closet. And all the women want to know if it's got a pantry. Yes, it has a pantry. This is the bottom of the staircase. Was designed to be a computer nook, and you could use it any way you wanted. But there's the computer, cable connections. It's a nice addition. Upstairs, there's 3 bedrooms that all have walk-in closets. It's a really spacious home. Carpet is new, painting is new. It's bedroom 2. True Jack and Jill. It's a linen closet. Bedroom 3. Also with a walk-in closet. And finally, the 4th bedroom. It's a good sized room. It's a walk-in closet and a bonus room with plenty of storage, or it could be finished out. But that's a pretty quick tour of this Villa Trace listing, and I hope you'll call me to see it.